Hello guys, this is Samsung On5 Pro. I got it from Amazon with 7,200 only, but the actual price was 7,999. So here it is a quick unboxing. Here's the first look of Samsung Galaxy On5 Pro. Here you can see some details like 8 megapixel rear camera, 5 megapixel front facing camera, and the battery 2600. It is a 4G LTE phone with 1.3 GHz processor, quad core also, 16 GB memory and 2 GB RAM. It is also regional languages 14. Here also is bike mode, VoLTE and ultra saving data mode. So here the actual price you can see 7,990. So I am going to unbox it. Here it is. Only Indian SIM card only, but you can use later on any SIM card. So here it is. This is the phone. You can see plastic covered Samsung On5 Pro. Classic look. I put it side. Let's check what is inside the box. Quick start guide. Here it is. Here is a Samsung casual headphone. Charging adapter, made in India product. 5 volt 1 ampere. So it's not going to be quick charging. You can see the details. The data cable is also here. And finally, Samsung battery 2600 milliampere. So now just start the phone. So I inserted the SIM card and battery inside. So now starting the phone. Here's the first look. Android. And the stylish Samsung logo. Can take some moments. Now I would select right. I'm just keeping some formalities for right now. So here is the first look of Samsung On5 Pro. Touching experience is quite good. You can see that lots of apps are pre-installed like Facebook. Here's the Google apps. Samsung apps is also there. About device, you can see the model number here. Now the storage, out of 16 GB available is only 10.72 GB. That's quite good. Other options are also available there: Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, hotspot. Now the camera option, like other phones, Samsung has a quite good phone. Camera's quality is very good. It has a tap to focus option. You can see that tap to focus. Front facing camera is quite good. Auto brightness is also available there. So here it is a quick unboxing of Samsung On5 Pro. For more updates, stay tuned. Thank you guys.